Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of threads with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you search about the application of threads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.